Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Today's verse of the day is from Surah Al-Munafiqun, verse number 9. Allah Almighty mentions, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, la tulhikum amwalukum wa la awladukum an dhikrillah. Allah said, O believers, do not let your wealth and your children divert you or distract you from the remembrance of Allah Almighty. My brothers and sisters, Allah Almighty addressing to the believer in this verse of the Holy Quran, Allah is not addressing to the disbelievers or to the one who don't believe in Allah Almighty. Allah is addressing to the believers who are already going to the masjid, who already believe in the message of Allah, who already believe in all the messengers of Allah Almighty. Allah addressing them. This warning is for them, that do not let your wealth and your children divert you from the remembrance of Allah. My brothers and sisters, the thing is that Allah is not saying wealth is haram. Allah is not saying that children are a problem. No. Wealth is a blessing from Allah Almighty. Children are blessings from Allah Almighty. But the danger starts, my brothers and sisters, or the danger begins when blessing turn into a distraction. My brothers and sisters, today many parents, they try their best to give everything to their children, to just make them happy. We give them gadgets, we give them new clothes, we give them new shoes, new devices, every single thing, just to make sure that they are comfortable, they are happy, and they are enjoying in their life. But at the same time, my brothers and sisters, Allah is teaching us something else. Allah is giving us another perspective of, living in this world, is that as long as you are caring about your children, you are providing them every single thing, you are making their dunya best, you are making their dunya better. At the same time, you have to make their akhirah better. Don't be so much involved with them that you forget your master. Allah uses the letter here, tulhikum, which literally means distract you or to keep you so busy that you forget your master. You forget Allah Almighty, you forget to even perform your namaz, or you are so much involved in the business, or so much involved in the money or material things, or in this dunya or this world, that you forget your master. You forget to fulfill the obligations that you have towards your master, towards your Lord, towards Allah Almighty. My brothers and sisters, and at the end Allah mentioned, وَمَنْ يَفْعَلْ ذَلِكَ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ, that whoever does that, then they are the real loser. Loser is not the one who lost money. Loser is not the one who failed in his mission, but the one whose heart is disconnected with Allah Almighty. My brothers and sisters, we have to make sure that our heart is always connected with our Creator, with Allah Almighty. We make dua that Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to remember Him on a daily basis and to include our name among those who always remember Allah Almighty. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.